We all have conversations, don't we? But as businesses, do we have amazing tools and platforms to help us converse with our consumers? No, right? ValueFirst launches Infinito, a flagship platform that allows enterprises and developers to scale their communication efforts. With Infinito's SMS module, all your promotional and transactional SMSs are now taken care of. The state-of-the-art platform has a single sign-on for both panel and API. Infinito has UI-based token management for API integration. With its easy and intuitive UI, users can easily fulfill their SMS needs in simple steps. With detailed analytics, users can get granular insights into a campaign's performance and take necessary actions. With 900-plus operators across 170 countries, winner of multiple awards, and 17 years of technology leadership, ValueFirst and you can truly spread joy with Infinito. Get started today with Infinito by ValueFirst.